say a matrix is a mathematical representation. A mathematical representation is a mathematical representation of numbers. Using rows. Using rows in bracket horizontal line. Using rows in bracket horizontal line and column. And column in bracket vertical lines. Okay? So a matrix always is going to have rows, horizontal lines, column, vertical lines. Are we together? So this is what we have. These are horizontal line. We call them row. Okay? These are vertical lines. We call them columns. The column. So when you are writing a matrix, it should have a row and a what? A column. Are we together? The matrix should have a row, horizontal line, representing numbers, and also a column, a vertical line, representing what? Numbers. Are we together? Now, the first thing before we can go any further on matrices, we need to know what is called the order of matrices. Order of what? Yes, you need to know how to state the order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. E.g., matrix A is 2, 2, 3, and I can say find the order. Find the order of matrix A. Find the order of matrix what? A. Matrix A is 2, 2, 3. Find the order of matrix what? A. Are we together? So you write matrix A first as it is. 2, 2, 3. Okay? Follow me now. Check on the order. Order, you have to start with row and column. If you check, how many rows are there? One row. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. Row, horizontal, just one. Columns, there are 3. So this one, you can say it's a 1 by 3 matrix. It's a 1 by 3, meaning it has got 1 row and 3 columns. So it's important to know the order of a matrix. So we've got example 1. State the order of the following matrices. State the order of the following matrices. Number A, matrix A, we've got 2, 4, 5, 1, 0, 3. Number B, matrix B, 2, 5, 0, 0, negative 1, 4. Number C, we've got matrix P, which is 2, 0, 1, 5, 4, 1, 3, 6. So they want us to state the order of those matrices. Matrix A, 2, 4, 5, 1, 0, 3. Matrix B, 2, 0, 5, negative 1, 0, 4. Matrix P, 2, 0, 1, 5, 4, 1, 3, 6. So we can put up the solution now. Solution. Okay. So we can now give the solution. State the order of the following matrices. So we've got matrix A. Matrix A, it's what? 2, 4, 5, 1, 0, 3. Are we together? So therefore this implies that This implies that you count how many rows are there. Stop writing. How many rows are there? 1, 2. Therefore, 1, 2. So 2 rows. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. So it is a 2 by 3 what? Matrix. So that is the order. That is the answer. We just want order of a matrix. Understand? That is number A. Number B. Number B, they are saying what? Matrix B is 2, 0, 5 minus 1, 0, 4. Is it? So this implies that. Stop first writing and you get the concept. How many rows are here? Who can tell me? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows multiplied by how many columns? 1, 2. So it's a 3 by 2 what? Matrix. So that is the order of that what? Matrix. Number C. Matrix P, which is what? 2, 0, 1 what? 5. Then we've got 4, 1, 3, 6. So this implies that what? How many rows are there? 2. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So it's a 2 by 4 what? Matrix. So this is how we calculate the order of a matrix. You can write, then we start today 2 by 2 matrix. So we are starting with a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 what? Matrix. So under a 2 by 2 matrix, the first thing we are going to start is determinant. Determinant. You need to know how to calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2 what? Matrix. Are we together? So, for example, I can say e.g. matrix A is A, B, C, D. That is matrix what? A. Now, if I say find the determinant of matrix A. So if you see a matrix and they put these standard lines, they mean determinant. So find the determinant of A. So when you are finding the determinant, this is the formula. Determinant equals to, you have to do this. A times D. So A times D minus B times what? C. B times C. So this remains the standard formula for determinant. So the standard formula for determinant is AD minus BC. So this formula, don't forget it. Determinant is AD minus BC. Are we together? Example 1. Given matrix B as 4, 6 minus 2 minus 4. And then I can say find the determinant of B. Find the determinant of B. So what you do? Solution. In your solution, first of all, you have to rewrite the matrix B. You rewrite it. You have it as 4, 6, negative 2, negative what? 4. Are we together? After you rewrite that matrix, now you put the suffix. Suffix, so that you don't forget. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. You make those suffix, okay? Then now you remember the formula. Determinant formula is AD minus BC. Is it? So determinant will be, what is A? 4. What is D? Minus 4. Minus, what is B? 6. What is C? What is C? Negative what? 2. Any question? So determinant will be positive 4 times negative 4. Negative what? 16. Minus positive 6 times negative 2. Negative what? 12. So determinant equals to negative 16. Negative times negative, positive. So our determinant equals to negative 16 plus 12. That is negative what? 4. So that is our determinant. Clear? still dealing with determinant. Under the same heading of determinant, you can write down singular matrix. Singular what? Singular matrix. So definition. A singular matrix is a matrix which can give you a determinant of 0. So whenever you calculate your determinant to be 0, then that matrix is a singular matrix. So we are saying that this is a matrix with determinant of what? Determinant of what? 0. Whenever you calculate your determinant and the answer is 0, that matrix is called a singular what? Yes. So we can say example 2. If matrix P is 12 to -12, -2, and we have also 6 minus 4, then number 1, say find a determinant then B we are saying what conclusion can you give in B above? Question mark. What conclusion can you give in B above? Okay? Now we've been told that's our solution. Now what is our matrix P? Matrix P, we've been given 12, 6, -4, and negative what? 2. Is it? Number 1A. They are saying find the what? The determinant. Is it? You know that determinant formula is supposed to be AD minus BC. Is it? So that one is A, that one is B, that one is C, that one is D. So what is our A? 12. What is our D? -2. Is it? Minus. What is our B? 6. What is our C? Minus what? 4. Positive times negative. -20 what? 4. Minus is to maintain the bracket. Positive times negative. -20 what? 4. Are we together?
Sir, your X here, where is it coming from?
Times. This is times. AD. AD means you are multiplying A times D. BC means you are multiplying B times C. Is it clear? So minus 24. Negative times negative. Positive. So negative 24 plus 24 is what? 0. Is it? Number B. What conclusion can you give in B above? Since your determinant is 0, it means matrix P was a singular matrix. So you say, in your conclusion, you say, since determinant is what? 0, comma, thus matrix P is what? Singular. Means you score. That's how you answer maths. You conclude mathematically. Since D is 0, comma, thus or therefore, matrix P is what? Singular. The last part will be inverse. So today we're just doing determinant and inverse. Given that matrix Q is 2x, 3, and 6, 2x, 4, and this is 2. Then I say find the value of x if q is singular. Find the value of x if q is what? Singular. So when you answer in mathematics, you should mark important words, okay? Find the value of x if q is singular. So singular word is an important word. What does singular mean? It means determinant should be equal to 0. Are we together? So ngawasanga determinant, if you calculate the determinant of q, you must equate it to what? 0. That's the meaning, is it? And then you solve for x. So you know determinant. Determinant equals to AD minus what? BC. Is it? So determinant equals to. Now, when you know these things, you know that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. But for the sake of not making a mistake, you say A, B, C, D. So you know your A is what? 2x. Multiplied by what is your D? Negative 2. Minus what is your B? 4. What is your C? 6. Are we together? So D equals to 2x times negative 2. Negative 4x. Minus, because positive times positive is positive, so I want to maintain the bracket. Now they are saying, find the value of x if q is singular. So it means this determinant I will equate it to 0. Isn't that? Because singular means determinant must be 0. So you take this same determinant and equate it to what? 0. Now negative 4, when it jumps the other side, to become what? Positive. It is negative here. When it jumps there, it becomes what? Positive. Now you can solve for x divided by negative what? Negative 4. Divided by negative what? This cancel. So this implies